Mga ka-disciple, paano kung humingi ka ng tulong kay Lord pero pakiramdam mo, hindi ka karapat-dapat? Would you still come to Him? Panahon na muli para ibahagi ko sa inyo ang mensaheng nagbibigay buhay mula sa Ebanghelyo ngayong araw, December 1, Monday of the first week of Advent. Ako po si Brother Rai, Digital Disciple. Sa Ebanghelyo natin ngayong mula sa Matthew 8 verses 5 to 11, lumapit ang isang Roman centurion kay Jesus. Hindi siya Hudyo, hindi bahagi ng chosen people, at isa siyang opisyal na mananakop. Pero humingi siya ng tulong. Lord, my servant is paralyzed and suffering terribly. At ang nakakagulat, hindi niya hiningi na pumunta si Jesus sa bahay niya. Sabi niya, Lord, I am not worthy to have you under my roof, but only say the word, and my servant will be healed. Namangha si Jesus sa pananampalatayang ito, mas dakila pa raw kaysa sa marami sa Israel. Mga ka-disciple, faith even when you feel unworthy. Many of us feel like the centurion. Minsan, iniisip natin, Lord, makasalanan ako. Lord, hindi ako consistent. Lord, hindi ako perpekto. Pero ito ang aral ng centurion. Faith isn't about deserving, it's about trusting. He didn't rely on his status. He didn't rely on his achievements. He didn't pretend to be holy. He simply believed that Jesus' word is enough. Sa Advent, hinahanda natin ang puso natin. And maybe the best preparation is this. Lumapit kay Jesus kahit feeling mo hindi ka worthy. Magtiwala kahit maliit lang ang kaya mong ialay. Maniwala na sapat ang salita at presensya niya para baguhin ka. Because the truth is, Jesus comes not for the worthy, but for the willing. And He can do miracles even in the hearts that feel most unqualified. Kaya mga ka-disciple, kung naghihintay ka ng miracle ngayong Advent, have the courage to come to Jesus just like the centurion. Trust His word, trust His timing, trust His heart. Ako po si Brother Rai, online for Christ, offline with purpose. God bless.